If you're one of the thousands of busy people who struggle to prepare and cook healthy food, your troubles are officially over because one company is making it easier than ever to realize that dream of a wholesome and balanced diet. Here with a taste of WarFuel Kitchen is owner Joseph Graves. Joseph, welcome back.
Hi there, how are you?
Such
good to be back.
To see you again. We saw you last time on our Morning Blend After Idol show.
Absolutely.
It was such a blast to have you on, and now you're here to cook some delicious
We're going to do a little bit of
us.
cooking. We couldn't do any of the proteins. We're going to do our cilantro lime zucchini noodles with our lean 60-40. It's a lean ground turkey and ground beef and our chicken breast.
Excellent.
So I'll kind of walk you through it. And I'll kind of walk you through like the whole ordering process. I think that's the kind of the biggest question we get from people is, how does it work? How do I order? Where do I get it from? So I'm going to pretend that you're ordering on that right there. You go right to the website there, warfuelkitchen.com/shop. We'll take you to our kitchen there for ordering. I'm going to make two of our meals, kind of simpler meals here. We do use all organic chicken and lean ground turkey and beef. Everything is labeled and put into these containers and then either delivered to your house, to any of the 15 different gyms that we deliver to, and they're actually delivered in, I'll show you, coolers with ice packs there. You take them home and just return them back to your gym. Excellent.
And so you said the packages themselves, too, have all the stats of that particular meal.
They do. They have what we call macros, so your fat, proteins, and carbs all are located right on the side of it. I don't know if you guys can see that there.
Yeah, they're going to.
And then your calories right there.
Okay, so people know what they're putting in their bodies.
Exactly.
It should be said these are all made fresh by you and your team.
Me and my team.
So we know what's going into it. And, you know, a lot of people have heard about this whole meal prep thing, and they're wondering if it's for them. What would you tell people to recommend that they do it?
I myself am kind of think that anytime that you're trying to do something, especially in the fitness world, it's a very difficult process. It's difficult to get motivated. It's difficult to stay motivated. But one of the biggest things is your nutrition for weight loss it's 80%, I'd say even 90% nutrition. And having meals readily available for you and ready just so you can grab them and eat them is like half the battle. It's not consistency, exactly. And so being able to have those right there and not wonder what you're going to eat for dinner or for lunch or whatever it is. I always say, do what you're good at so I can do what I'm good at, and
exactly.
You're done.
Well put. I mean, if you plan these things out, you're less likely to stop at the fast food place on the way home from work. If you know it's ready for you, you go do your workout, then you go eat, of course. What are the different options? Because some people have limited diets. They may not be able to eat certain types of foods, or they want to stick to, say, keto or paleo, etc. Do you have those options? Absolutely.
So on our website, we do have little banners on every single menu item that is either vegan, paleo, keto, or gluten-free or dairy-free. We can cater to any of those requests from people. Vegan,
paleo,
keto. And keto. And then we have just traditional diet. Yeah. You know, a lot of people will have what I call traditional, because there is so many different diets and stuff like that now. Traditional diet, so, you know, and kind of like a bodybuilder style diet, I would guess.
Yeah, and so we're talking lean proteins, a lot of vegetables. What else? How else would you characterize these dishes?
Healthy, balanced meals.
Okay.
That's what I say. I try to keep all of our meals within the 300 to 500 caloric range, and keep the protein high, the carbs minimal, not nothing at all.
Right.
Because your body does run on carbohydrates.
I mean, all you're cooking there are vegetables. It already smells incredible in here. Not only are you providing these great meals for people, but also coaching. Because we all know, I mean, I fall flat on my face every time I try to get into fitness, get into knowing what meals to eat, etc. So you guys actually coach people.
We do. So if you're interested in coaching, we have coaches available. Myself, and we have one other that helps coach with us. And it's very inexpensive too. I don't like to ever just send somebody like, here's your food, now just go and do what you're doing. But because everyone has a lot of questions about it, you know, like, when do I eat it? How much of it do I eat? Do I eat this? Do I not eat that?
And you yourself are a beneficiary of this style of thinking too. I know we have a before and after picture of you.
Yes.
And the difference is just incredible.
Absolutely.
There it is. How do you feel now? Look at that. How do you feel now as opposed to how you did then?
Different. I think a lot of people don't visualize themselves as being overweight until they lose weight.
Right. Until
and
you
then
see the other side.
Until you see the other side of it, I think even people that were close to me, and they were like, "Oh, I didn't think you were that big." And then they see a picture, they're like, "That wasn't you, dude."
Well, no, it's just different levels of fitness. I mean, you're a good guy either way, and certainly it's good to feel better than not feel good. And you have a finished product there.
That is the finished product right there.
So you package it up.
So that will be packaged up right there.
You put it in those coolers. You deliver it to their home or to a gym.
Home or gym, yeah.
And of course, you have a discount for first-time buyers.
We do for today. We have, if you use the code FRESH15, we'll give you 15%, and then we just date these for you. Super simple like that.
Look at that, how quickly he got it done. Joseph, anything else you want to let our viewers know before we let you go? I mean, it already smells delicious in here.
That is it. Orders are just due by Friday by 8 p.m. for Monday deliveries, and by Sunday at 8 p.m. for Wednesday deliveries.
Mr. Graves, pleasure to see you again.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for being here, making our studio smell delicious.
Awesome.
And giving us some good tips. All right, guys, this can change your life. Order your WarFuel meals today, and for a special discount, use code FRESH15. Just visit warfuelkitchen.com or call 520-266-5109 for more information.